Hi Barbie dolls! I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing little DIY. I got these cute flatware. These are already cute, but I want to make them a little bit more Barbie-ish. I got some pink Barbie shoes. I want to customize this with Barbie shoes. On the sole of the shoe, I put some glue and put on the edge of each flatware. Let them dry overnight. When they're dry, now I need mixed resin and hardener. And now I dip them into resin. Just the edge like this. I remove extra resin with toothpick. Look, it looks shiny now. I need to let them dry. Ta-da! They look so much fun. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Hope you have a fantastic Barbie day. Bye.